Hello everyone, my name's Alice and today we're going to be making this roaring rocket. To make your roaring rocket, you'll need kitchen roll or a piece of rolled up card, some colourful card, some strips of tissue paper, some scraps for collaging, some tin foil, glue and glitter. Excellent, let's get making. First, cover your kitchen roll in glue and cover it with your collage scraps. When you've covered the whole tube, add an extra layer of glue on. This will give your rocket a nice shiny look when it's dried. Cut out some circle shapes out of the tin foil for your rocket windows. Glue the windows onto the side of your rocket, then add some glue to the inside rim. Attach your strips of orange and yellow tissue paper to create a brilliant fiery flash coming from the end of your rocket. Roll up some coloured card into a cone shape. Get an adult to staple in place and cut off any excess card. Add some glue to the other end of your rocket and glue onto your cone. Finally, put some glue on the end of your rocket and dip it in some glitter for an extra sparkly finish. And there you have it, your very own roaring rocket. Brilliant! So now your roaring rocket is ready to fly up into space. Thank you, goodbye.